Good night. Let's start with Task 4. Task 4 Speaking Production. Hello, my name is Fabian Camilo Rodriguez Cajica. This is one of my weirdest experiences. It's something that happened to me when I was at school. It was exam time. I have been sick a lot of time, but my mom has forced me to go to school. I talked to one of my classmates. I remember we were walking to school, think we had lost the bus, but we were on time in the first class of the day. Our teacher has programmed an exam, so we can have late. Said to me. Finally, we arrived 2 minutes before the class started. The teacher ran immediately. The house have you students and it was filled with again. My mom calls bit for long and I think that has been the problem. I once probably right because a little time later when I was focused on my exam again I belched and everyone laughed about me. I let go so bad, so embarrassed.